Rigging the right way takes skill, but when workers aren't trained properly, it can lead to confusion, bad habits, and dangerous mistakes. ITI's Intermediate Rigging course is the trusted choice for companies that need high-quality training to help their teams work more safely and efficiently. Your team will receive hands-on instruction in a workshop-style program with real-world scenarios and live loads, led by rigging experts who have done the work themselves. Intermediate rigging is designed for anyone who handles rigging at work, including millwrights, electricians, pipe fitters, ironworkers, and more. Each student gets a full workbook and quick reference cards they can use on the job long after the class ends. They'll learn how to estimate load weight, inspect slings and hardware, calculate sling angles, adjust for center of gravity, plan a safe lift path, and guide the load from setup to landing with focus and control. With ITI's Intermediate Rigging course, your team can gain lasting skills and confidence, reduce risk, and earn an optional qualification to meet compliance requirements. To learn more about how ITI helps improve safety and performance, visit our website today.